Hello, in this video we'll understand how to calculate the square of a two-digit number ending at 5 in a really fast way without using the calculator. So let us start with the first number. So we'll take the two-digit number ending in 5 as 15. Let us say we want to figure out 15 square, which means we are trying to figure out how much is 15 times 15 equal to. Now for this process, you just need to keep in mind that the ones place digit, which is 5, and the square of 5 is 25. So write it over here and take the tens place digit, multiply it by its next consecutive number. So 1 multiplied by the next consecutive number is 2. This is equal to 2, and then just place this number over here. So this is the square of 15. Let us take the other number. Let us calculate 25 square. So again, 5 square is equal to 25. Just keep it the same way. The digit at the tens place, take it and multiply it by its next consecutive number, which is 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and place it over here. So this is the square of 25. Let us see the same process with another number. So let us take 75 square. Now for doing 75 square, again 5 square gives us a 25, and the digit at the tens place, just multiply it by the next consecutive number, which is 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. So place this 56 over here, and this is the square of 75. Let us try out one last one. Let us calculate 95 square. So 5 square, again, we'll just place 25 over here, and the digit at the tens place, take it and multiply it by the next consecutive number, which gives us 90, and this becomes 9025, which is the square of 95. So you see how easy it is to calculate the square of a two-digit number ending in 5 without even using a calculator. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.